Morning, everyone. It's nice to see you again. It's a beautiful fall right now. Life is full with joy and painful. If we can treat ourselves just like a mutual, when we are in the suffering, we need to believe one day the suffering will go away. The most important is we need to practice our inner strength. By practicing this inner strength, we have a much stronger ability to handle unpleasant around us. Being positive and believe in good thing can happen, then good thing will always come to us. I wish you enjoy my short sharing today. Thank you.